Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to work a foundation double crochet. So abbreviation for that is FDC. A lot of the times when you start a project, you would chain a certain number of stitches and then you would work along your chain stitches. Okay, so in the third chain you would crochet your first double crochet stitch. Okay, so this is normally how crocheters would start, but with the foundation double crochet you're basically working the chain stitch and the double crochet at the same time. So let's get started. You want to start with a slip knot, and then you want to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in the very first stitch right there, your first chain stitch, you want to yarn over as if you're working a double crochet stitch, insert your hook into that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now instead of completing your double crochet as normal, the first thing you want to do is chain 1. So yarn over and pull through 1 loop. So what that does is you're creating the chain stitch first. So now you can complete a double crochet stitch, which is yarning over, pulling through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so this is where I think most find the trickiest is the next step. So that very first stitch that you made is right down here. That was your chain stitch. Okay, so if you turn it, you can see sort of the V right there, the 2 loops. So on your next stitch you want to do the same thing. So you want to yarn over, and right there where I was pointing out to, so there's your double crochet right at the base. If I turn it this way, right at the base you want to go through both loops. Okay, right there. So go through both loops. Okay, so now you want to yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, again, the very first thing you want to do is create that chain, foundation chain first. So you want to chain 1. Okay, so there's your foundation. Now you can complete your double crochet by yarning over, pulling through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, let's do that again. Yarn over, and so now hold on, let's just take a real quick look at it. So now you have 3. That was your first chain 3, that's your second, and that's your third. So at the bottom, your first chain 1 is what's creating the foundation chain. So right there is where you would want to insert your hook. Okay, so right through both loops, right at the base. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook through both of these loops, yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, so now we want to create the foundation chain. So chain 1, and now we want to complete the double crochet stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Again, yarn over, and right here, so you're creating this foundation chain right there. So right into the base of this double crochet stitch you want to insert your hook through both loops, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Okay, yarn over, so we're chaining 1, chain 1, yarn over, pull through, and now complete the double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over, here's your double crochet, there's the base, into both loops at the bottom, and yarn over and then pull it through. Okay, so now you want to work the foundation chain. So you want to chain 1, there's your foundation, And now complete your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so working the foundation double crochet allows you to work the chain stitches, so the foundation chain, and the double crochet at the same time. A lot of folks, including myself, I don't like to chain stitches. I mean, I still do it often, but if I could get away with it, this is definitely what I would use instead of the chaining. So it just takes a little practice, and it's a great way to skip a step. I think it looks nicer for me personally. So I like to work the foundation double crochet stitch whenever I can. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for new videos.